Hi, I'm Radzinski, speaker, educator, and expert in corporate responsibility and sustainable product design. Welcome to the next in our series on Introduction to Corporate Responsibility. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of understanding the inputs and outputs, or the connections of organizations to the world around them. One thing that's really critical for any organization is to really understand how they impact the environment, how they impact the social aspects of their operations, whether it's their employees, the community surrounding them, their customers, different things like that, and also understanding the economic impacts and inputs of their operations and outputs. So I strongly encourage every organization to basically draw a box around their operation. Let's say you have a building that you're manufacturing something, or you're a organization that's a service group that has an office. If you basically put a box, imagine drawing a box around that operation and looking at all the things that are flowing into and out of your organization. For example, every one of us uses energy, whether it's electricity or different fuels. So you're going to have those flowing into your operation, and then coming out will be impacts from combustion if you're burning the fuels. If you use electricity, there will be indirect connection because the power plant had to make the electricity. You also have people coming in and out of your operation. So you have employees coming in, you have vendors, you have suppliers, and coming out will be your employees. There's also impacts coming out on the surrounding community. So if you are a manufacturer, you're going to have deliveries being made to your facility. You're going to be having emissions coming out of your plant that could be affecting the local community. There's also inflow of money. You basically have, if you have customers, or even if you're a nonprofit or a service organization, money is flowing into your organization, and then it's coming out in the form of wages and salaries for your people, purchases of goods and services, taxes you pay, donations to the community, different things like that. We also have other environmental impacts, such as water. We all bring in water and use water, and that there's wastewater coming out. We have stormwater, or precipitation that falls on our buildings and comes off as runoff or polluted rainwater or stormwater runoff. Motor vehicles are coming in, food and beverages, products and chemicals and packaging, and all kinds of different supplies. And because we're running our organizations and operations, we are creating different waste streams. So it could be just solid waste from your cafeteria. It could be organic waste in the form of food. It could be chemicals. It could be hazardous. So all these things flow in and out. And once you understand material flows within your organization, it really gives you a great understanding on how you impact the environment, how you impact the people around you, whether it's your employees or the community, and how you also affect money flow in your organization. And all of these are important to understand so you can improve your economic, your social, and your environmental performance. So I strongly recommend that anybody that's doing any kind of corporate responsibility program or establishing a sustainability initiative, you really need to look at your inputs and outputs so you can understand what is material to your organization, where you need to focus your efforts, what your goals should be. And that's a first step. And then followed by that will be benchmarking. And we're going to actually do another discussion on benchmarking and the importance of that in a future blog. So please tune in the future for additional information on benchmarking and how you can utilize an understanding of your inputs and outputs to establish an effective sustainability program for your organization. Please continue to post your questions and comments. I've been getting great questions and comments from many people, and it's really helpful as I develop these blogs because I want to provide the best information for you to help you advance your sustainability initiatives. So thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to talking to you in the future.